this is really exciting. I keep saying it feels a little bit like we're graduating, which doesn't make sense, but it's like, this is our graduation. We made a movie. Amazing. The puppeteers are pretty much my favorite part of the film because, I mean, you guys don't see, it takes like 7 people on one puppet to make it work, and then 5 on another because there's someone operating the eyes, and then there's an actual person inside of the suit, and they just make it come alive. It's magic on the day, and then when I see it on the screen, my mind is blown. I love Emma. She's just taken this franchise, this huge game, and she's made it really specific and grounded and believable. Like, suddenly I feel like at any moment I could see an animatronic in this world that we're in right now. If you watch our film, just what she is doing with the camera is spectacular. I would say thank you so much for letting me be a part of it, because really I feel like I was on the outside of all this because I didn't grow up playing the games, and it's just been such a incredible, welcoming group, and they're such an excited group. Like, even here tonight, just the way they're dressed and all the costumes and the lore, and yeah, I'm just really grateful.